How to find IBAN on your Revolut. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find IBAN on Revolut. So to do that, first of all, open up the Revolut app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to first of all make sure you are on the accounts tab right over here, and then after that simply tap on your EU logo, which is right over here. Simply tap on this icon with the blue background and the yellow stars. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where it will basically provide you two different options, local and Swift. Make sure you are on the local tab, and if you look closely you can see the option IBAN, which is right over here, and this right over here is your IBAN number. Now if you want, you can simply copy it by tapping this option right over here. So that was basically how you find IBAN on Revolut. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.